Hadin bakat arngut kiamli ke kongres kilapet no benai penyeso sekretarial kongres hakatio baladam hakashitarik no pra arjar arpuwei uba James Tingdo uba Deiru working president kameglia Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ula IT yakshiti inokam bat kumju nakajinglong khot ka party saka All India Congress Committee uba James Tingdo ula penyeso saka Congress House nem sajak naispa parpupra pot lobat ru sibun kikam kumunong yalam ka party hakilai pulais nem menta haba pentip yakani kajing inokam kajung u lengba kilat thai kubor uluang baka party kelas tang pai stang jot nadu kalai poi trik nopra arjar karnyo habala weng cendat yu Dr. Didi Lepang nakasuki presiden ke MPCC uluang pat bayamentahi unumpat penyeso bat kanu-kanu keseng-seng partai bat unsong lai lutswa bat unsa simpat yakarai hadin.
Sir, I am tendering my resignation from the post of working president Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, AICC member and primary act members for the Indian National Congress. I am thankful to the Indian National Congress for the responsibility and opportunity provided to me to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya and the country as a whole. I hereby tender my resignation today, the 1st December 2021, with regards to James S. Lindo. Copy to Sonia Gandhi, Manish Chatrak in charge, and Vincent Pala. Nade working president yang amdan berkonsult su. Tik kapakam baka kaba nga perkhat marway balay mo ngalek kumno ngalek yu kanya ini pa. MP election bro lai tiligi MP election ngatre. Ya ka party nga ngabu Ahmad ya ka party. Ngabu ekjede jonga sedien ne ka party Ahmad de Marsnuan kakam ko baning kong kalomba. Sideline shot. Nakabalik kumno kabaningkong kalomba katkum kariti practice jong Congress. When any president come, CLP leaders along with the working presidents have to sit to form the committee. But this time, akan ikapor ko pementa klemdan kum kata. Ka klemdan kum kata ka meeting kabangi ki working president, but CLP leader, but president PCC ban pha ya kita ki keteng ki ba kila appoint ya kata ka post general secretary but treasurer. Tingnan mo baki ACC ru kalonggong ko bumarla ya ka practice kim snap su kim le su balikin marba la ya lang marlalo marba ka joint signature jong CLP but UPCC ya ka no ka committee but ya ka no ya ka uno candidates when apply for election, it should be mandatory the signature of the CLP and the PCC president. Then lay hak niru la shule donbor ka ICC ru kala pediang ba kala thung gitu. To kataru kadang ya ngadang sngapi bat kabakam ayu kolong ma ndaladet ya kataru jayu baya kita ki yani ki working president undan su kajing kata kajing pentip AA na office undan su kajing pentip ini kila syule itu kabuman te nakadika daw kaba nga kumunong yalam nasutu ba bandan hangni yakaba nansya brek serur kam dan kam su natakadaw kawai nakadaw kolong ta haka jingsnam jong jingjat jong kongres kede nadu laipu trek jong Desember arja khanyo kini kalau ngabanga ngalalong kum working president hakaba kila wen jentat ya Dr. Didi Lepang ibolong menta ilakhat ngapati kabosmo senei hadu kata jingwen kalau ba haka arpu pratrik ya kendu yo Rahul Gandhi ilawan silong arpu kendai trik haka live trik kalami ke notification ke baong ba Dr. Celestine latungi ikum presiden bat lawen ya Dr. Didi Lepang kena ngalalek penyesong bat ki blok antai adin kata ngala aka pratrik ufono president wong ba James late senran lang ba Kennedy aka nomination bijungi malale but adin kata aka sipotrik nila song ya committee ba ngin bu ya kiniki dates na banta kiniki campaign pangilek sika campaign kaya aka khatway trik aka smi ka ba iba Kennedy kadi ka scrutiny bijungi nilai pendek ba baro khat kita members jong campaign committee ni kendo lang hangtai apo DCC office tinggal kendo nilai kaba susi kelong bat hak arterik demi ngalayo ka notification banong ba laweng yo ba James in the meeting held in the residence of the presidents lada day mga wong balkwa ban penleranya ke parti hatu ka por ngalawan sepi ki lat pathai kubor ban peni dakatuka city wat kanang jayu to election hante ngam tipsu wat lakataru ngadang lek ban campaign atli ki meeting site nan mino na kani ka party congress yang mentah sipor ngan dan sa komni ngan numlek sa kanu ka party ngan don no marway sho anda ngan numlek sa kanu party. I'm not going to join any party. I'll be myself alone now for a time being.
So you don't want to be the part of politics anymore?
No, not politics. I'll be in politics, very much in politics, but I will take a little bit time. I've already told you that I will join any party afterwards, not now. Congress in those days and Congress today is very different. That practice which we used to do is no more. AICC, when they call us for a meeting, it has covered in the media that we are meeting Sonia Gandhi, when it held up with Bini Gopalji. This Congress. And when we went in Delhi, no one is there. No, only all are outside India. We want to meet.